Introducing the Engine Block Combustion Leak Detector by Powerbuilt Tools. This kit offers the operator an alternative way of testing the engine block and cylinder heads for leaks into the coolant system, causing loss of power and eventual failure without expensive diagnostic fees. This universal design can diagnose leaks in almost any make and model. It also includes a heavy-duty blow-molded case and usage instructions with photos. Now, before we begin, test fluid not included in this kit, but it is available at your local auto parts stores. So pick one up before you start. First, let's remove the reservoir cap. Now you can start the vehicle. Install the leak detector by inserting the universal cone adapter into the filler neck of the radiator using a rotating motion. Pour test fluid into the leak detector up to the fill line. Place the bulb on top of the test tube and begin squeezing the bulb several times. This will bring up any gases that have been leaked into the radiator, and test fluid will change to a green/yellow color that would indicate an exhaust gas leak present. Powerbuilt tools, ideal for everyday use.